So, what do you have to do?
All I have to do is...
Yep. Sorry.
Stop fighting!
It is. It is funny.
I just have to hang this up.
Wait, because you said, what you said to me before was, I said, don't even worry about cleaning your room, and you went, I'm nearly
I am nearly done.
I'm nearly finished. Okay.
Mum?
It's just funny to me.
No, it's not. Look, all I have to do is hang those up and put them in the drawers.
Mhm.
Just most of that away.
Yeah.
And clear off that.
Sure.
And I want to get some kind of office thing so I can put, like, we need to put this up somewhere.
Yep.
And, stop laughing at me.
I love you, Noodles.
It's not funny.
I love you.
It's not funny.
No, it's not. You're right. It's not funny. I love you.
No, you don't.
I do. And now there's that. Now, damn it, ruining it. The rest of the house looks rather nice. Thanks, Robbie, house cleaner. Yes. And then you go down to the pit of despair. Oh. Da, 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 da.
Mum, go away.